To replace the fan duct, first remove the side cover, the optical drive, the front bezel, and the drive's cage. Remove the power supply connector from the cable guides on the fan duct. Pull out on the two side tabs for the fan duct at the edges of the cooler fan, and pull it out of the unit. There are two small edges on the side tabs of the fan duct that fit under edges on the heatsink cooler fan. To replace the fan duct, align the fan duct over the heatsink. Pull out on the side tabs until the edges on the tabs are under the edges on the heatsink, and the fan duct is correctly seated. Place the power supply cable back into the cable guides on the fan duct.